This week's Thomas Index Report is sponsored by Sterling Process Engineering, a custom fabricator of stainless steel process systems, including dairy equipment made to USDA standards. Welcome to the Thomas Index Report for the week of December 16th. Exciting things are brewing this week as we take a closer look at sourcing trends for coffee supplies. While it may seem like a niche topic, coffee is actually a massive market preparing for major sustained growth. 67% of Americans say they drink coffee, and the National Coffee Association says collectively they spend $74 billion on it in 2015. The coffee industry creates 1,695,000 U.S. jobs with a total economic impact of $225 billion. On the thomasnet.com platform, sourcing for coffee is up 52% year over year and 35% over its quarterly average. Considering that worldwide coffee consumption in 2018 reached almost 62 trillion bags, each containing 60 kilograms of coffee, clearly there are a lot of buyers out there looking for new sources of supply to meet their sizable needs. In related categories, paper cup sourcing is up 15% year over year, but a more substantial 71% over last quarter. Drinking straws sourcing, specifically more sustainable alternatives to plastic straws, saw 27% growth year over year and 58% growth over Q3. In this week's Sourcing Spotlight, we're looking at trends for dairy equipment and supplies. Sourcing for the category is up 81% year over year and 56% over its quarter average. Well, there's been a lot of news coverage lately about the high-profile bankruptcy of national milk brands. Dairy production is actually still growing in many markets across the country. In Maine, for example, 94% of households still have dairy milk on the table, meaning increased production and sales for the state's dairy farmers. Additionally, market experts say that long-term increases in coffee-related products are a positive indicator for the future of dairy production, as many coffee beverages include milk as a key ingredient. I'm Tony Uphoff, and this is the Thomas Index Report.